Hello! Alright, so I'm going to make a tutorial for my student Andrea of the song Crew Love. And the point of this tutorial is for him to learn to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then comes, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2. So that's the quarter notes I was counting. Now let's try to put it a little bit more together, not so fast. So you can practice, Andrea. Okay, scratch that. Let's start again. So I'm gonna actually count. It will help you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Right hand leg go. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. you can slow down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Check the camera is rolling. Okay. Now I'm going to break it down bar by bar. Bar 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 3, 1, 2. Right hand let go. 3, 4. Bar 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 7, C minor 7, 1, 2. Right hand let go on 3, 4. And here right hand go to top C. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here that was bar 8. Bar 9, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. That's bar 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4 you go short. 4 rest. So again 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. 18. 1, 2, 4. 19. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 21. 1, 2, 3, 4. 22. 1, 2, 3, 4. 23. 1, 2. Sorry. 23. 1, 2, 3, 4. 25. Page 3. In case I messed up the bars. So page 3. 25. Bar 25. 1, 2, 3, 4. 26. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now 27. 1, 2, 3, 4. 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. 29. 1, 2, 3, 4. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Real quick. The next bar is 4 beats here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And now the last thing I'm gonna do, although I'm sight reading, I'm just gonna play it once and give you an idea again how it goes. I recommend you practice with a 16-note metronome, which will be sounding something like this. So you see, like those are four clicks per beat, like. So that's what I recommend practicing metronomically. Let me know if you need a tutorial with that. But here's just the last time, everything nice and slow. That's it. I'm just gonna show the score briefly for you guys so that in case you need to double check any particular part. So here is the first page, and the second page, and the third page. That's it.